composting.
Oh no. What happened to Beary's garden? I think Beary needs to improve the condition of the soil in his garden.
What can I do to help the soil in my garden?
Beary, you can make compost. Composting is an easy way to help your plants grow healthy and strong, and is great for the environment. All you need is a bucket or a bin to get started.
That sounds easy and fun. How do we get started?
First, we can add some dried leaves. Then we will toss in some egg shells, banana peels, watermelon rinds, orange peels, apple cores, paper. Add some more leaves. Now we can put in some green leaves. Add a little water. Now mix it up. It will take a few months to a year for your compost to turn into dirt. You may even see steam coming out of it. It can get pretty hot. That is a good thing. Your compost is turning into great soil for your garden.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell. I can't wait to see you again soon.